So there's a couple of really interesting tools that you can use to do prospecting, which is when you need to find out, build a list of people you want to outreach to. One of them is called Clay, and it's about
Expensive, right?
$150 a month, $350 a month, for up to 10,000 credits here. They do have some really cool features like this waterfall thing where if one prospect doesn't work, you can go automatically to the next one. There is some really cool tech behind that. If you want to get, it's not cheap. If you want to get started, another option is Apollo, where on the monthly plan you can get 5,000 credits per month for $60, which isn't, it's still a little bit of money, but it isn't.
Is it 5,000 emails or something like this? Or is
yeah, 5,000 rows you can export from that. But there's a hack if you want to go super budget. There is an Appify actor which scrapes Apollo, and it only costs $1.20 for 1,000 leads. So for a couple bucks, you can get enough prospects to run a $2,000 a month campaign. So the economics of that work out really well.
The arbitrage here is very good.
Exactly. And the good thing about Appify is you can integrate it into NAN or Make.com or any kind of AI workflow, automation workflow. So you can actually do all of the prospecting within your automation. So if you set it up correctly, you build it once, you can just onboard new clients, and you'll change the search filters to whatever their industry is, and you'll be able to search. Pointing out that this is really for B2B services, right? If you're selling to agencies or selling to other businesses, this approach is absolutely perfect. But it wouldn't work if you were selling, I don't know,
groceries
to the general public or something like that. It's not for that.
Okay. Still really powerful, because obviously the people that benefit from this, they also have a high lead value, right? It's worth a lot every time they get a lead. So you're like 6 leads. Well, if you sell 6 stuffed animals, it's nothing to write home about. But if you get 6 loyal leads or something like that, then that's actually quite a bit of money. That can change a business, and that can be worth a lot of money. Someone would pay you a lot of money for this if you could automate this for them using these pretty cheap tools.
Exactly. So let me show you a couple of automations that I've actually built to do some things here. So the first one is a prospect picker, and I've used AI to decide which of the prospects I want to email. So a very common issue.
Can you walk me through what happens exactly?
Let me just explain.